IT word family replacing the initial sound. It. We will place a B in front of that. Bit. We will replace the B with an F. Fit. We will replace the F with an H. Hit. We will replace the H with the K. Kit. We will replace the K with an L. Lit. We will replace the L with the P. Pit. We will replace the P with an S. Sit. We will replace the S with a W. Wit. We will replace the W with the KN. Knit. We will replace the KN with an SK. Skit. We will replace the SK with an SP. Spit. We will replace the SP with an SPL. Split. We will replace the SPL with the QU. Quit.